أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
المنافقون والمنافقات بعضهم من بعض يأمرون بالمنكر وينهون عن المعروف ويقبضون أيديهم نسوا الله فنسيهم إن المنافقين هم الفاسقون.
The hypocrite men and hypocrite women are of one another. They advocate evil, and prohibit righteousness, and withhold their hands. They forgot Allah, so He forgot them. The hypocrites are the sinners.
وعد الله المنافقين والمنافقات والكفار نار جهنم خالدين فيها هي حسبهم ولعنهم الله ولهم عذاب مقيم.
Allah has promised the hypocrite men and hypocrite women, and the disbelievers, the fire of hell, abiding therein forever. It is their due, and Allah has cursed them. They will have a lasting punishment.
كالذين من قبلكم كانوا أشد منكم قوة وأكثر أموالا وأولادا فاستمتعوا بخلاقهم فاستمتعتم بخلاقكم كما استمتع الذين من قبلكم بخلاقهم وخضتم كالذي خاضوا أولئك حبطت أعمالهم في الدنيا والآخرة وأولئك هم الخاسرون.
Like those before you, they were more powerful than you, and had more wealth and children. They enjoyed their share, and you enjoyed your share, as those before you enjoyed their share, and you indulged, as they indulged. It is they whose works will fail in this world and in the hereafter. It is they who are the losers.
ألم يأتهم نبأ الذين من قبلهم قوم نوح وعاد وثمود وقوم إبراهيم وأصحاب مدين والمؤتفكات أتتهم رسلهم بالبينات فما كان الله ليظلمهم ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
Have they not heard the stories of those before them, the people of Noah, and Ad, and Thamud, and the people of Abraham, and the inhabitants of Madian, and the overturned cities? Their messengers came to them with the clear proofs. Allah never wronged them, but they used to wrong their own selves.